Have you ever wondered about the difference between Viagra and Cialis? Or between Sildenafil and Tadalafil? If you're looking for answers about these two medications that help treat erectile dysfunction, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to better understand what these names mean and how they work. Stick with me until the end to discover the differences, benefits, and potential side effects of using these substances. Before we dive into the comparisons and details of the medications, it's important to understand how the erection process actually works in the body. It all starts with excitement. When you see, hear, smell, or even feel something that excites you, your body starts releasing a substance called nitric oxide. This nitric oxide is the key to the erection process because it triggers a series of chemical reactions in the body. One of them is cGMP, which works by relaxing the muscles in the penis and allowing blood to flow there, making it firm. Now, what can disrupt this process? Well, there are three main factors. First, the loss of excitement and the decrease in nitric oxide. Second, the degradation of cGMP, which can be accelerated by an enzyme called phosphodiesterase. And finally, when ejaculation occurs, the nervous system causes the muscles in the penis to contract, pushing the blood out and causing the erection to fade. This is where erectile dysfunction medications like Viagra, Sildenafil, and Cialis, Tadalafil, come in. They work by blocking the action of phosphodiesterase, helping to keep cGMP active for longer, resulting in firmer and longer-lasting erections. However, like any medication, these drugs can have side effects. The most common ones include headaches, flushing, nasal congestion, indigestion, and sometimes changes in vision. It's also important to note that if you're taking a medication called a nitrate, like nitroglycerin for heart problems, you should not take these medications. Mixing these substances can be dangerous and severely affect your blood pressure. There are also rarer side effects, such as priapism, an erection lasting more than 4 hours, and hearing loss, though these cases are extremely rare. Now, let's understand a little more about the differences between Sildenafil and Tadalafil, or Viagra and Cialis. Sildenafil, for example, was the first to be released, and its story is interesting. It was originally developed to treat high blood pressure, but during testing, researchers noticed that it caused stronger erections in patients. That's how Viagra came about. This medication needs to be taken about 30 to 60 minutes before sexual activity, and it should not be taken after a heavy meal, as this can reduce its effectiveness. On the other hand, Tadalafil, which was released more recently, has an advantage. It can stay active in the body for up to 36 hours. This means you don't have to plan as carefully, as you can enjoy more spontaneity over the weekend. In addition, Tadalafil can be taken in a low daily dose, which could be a good option for those who prefer to be ready for the right moment at any time. And it can also help people with urinary problems related to benign prostatic hyperplasia, a common condition in older men. When it comes to effectiveness, both medications have a similar success rate, ranging from 60% to 80%. In other words, both are very effective at treating erectile dysfunction. But in studies comparing the two, some men and their partners reported greater satisfaction with Tadalafil, mainly due to its longer duration and fewer side effects. However, this will largely depend on how your body responds to each medication. Now, if you're experiencing urinary problems in addition to erectile dysfunction, Tadalafil could be an interesting choice. But if you prefer something more targeted, Sildenafil Viagra might be a better option. The most important thing is that, regardless of your choice, always consult a doctor before starting any treatment. And if you'd like to learn more about other natural and effective alternatives to improve your health and enhance your sexual performance, click the link below to discover safe and high-quality solutions. Remember, taking care of your health is essential, and you deserve the best. See you in the next video.